This morning, I'm joined from Singapore by Arjuna Mahendran, Head of Investment Strategy at HSBC Private Bank. And Arjuna has been pretty bullish. And Arjuna, we're seeing a bit of a comeback today in global stocks. But this is all predicated on the basis of stimulus. So this is a stimulus game right now. What are the markets? I don't know. How are you viewing the markets right now? What are they saying to you?
Well, I mean, it's the same old story, Susan, that we've seen since 2009, which is any time central bankers give us a promise that they're going to inject some more liquidity into the markets, risk assets tend to rally. And that's precisely what's happened overnight. You had Mr. Draghi telling us that, he would basically cut rates if necessary. We have Janet Yellen speaking in a few minutes. We have Ben Bernanke following on thereafter. All that leading up to this risk asset rally.
That's right. Janet Yellen speaking, making headlines, just saying, she's the vice chairman, by the way, of the Federal Reserve, saying that the Fed will be accommodative if necessary. So what are your bets right now on the possibility of QE3, Arjuna?
Well, I think QE3 will come, but not now. I think it'll probably come sometime in the third quarter, maybe even the fourth quarter, depending on how rapidly the U.S. economy slows. But I think it definitely will slow, given this fiscal cliff issue, the fact that the government basically is going to have to reimpose taxes on consumers, which would take 5% of GDP away next year in terms of consumption, which is a big hit, considering the U.S. consumes about $10 trillion worth of goods and services a year. So, all that is going to slow things down. And, I think QE3 will come, but not immediately. But they'll keep jawboning us into this sort of reverie. Yeah.